So if by mistake you have not recorded the good quality audio and your audio is really bad, then what you can do. In my case, you can see what happened. I have two tracks on my timeline. So one is my screen recording, which is connected to this lav mic here, but it did not record it. So all the audio I said it was recorded via the camera or via the computer's mic. Or in any case, you have bad audio, I will show you how you can convert that bad audio into studio audio quality for free. Okay, we're gonna see that. So just let me play to show you the difference. So this is the audio clip. I have very bad audio clip.
Servam AI is making the headlines, but what is really Servam AI? Is it in competition?
So very bad, very bad. So okay, so first option you have, what you can do, go to Premiere Pro if you're using Premiere Pro. I will also tell you if you're not using Premiere Pro, what you can do. So you have this option here, enhance. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just cut this clip so it don't take a lot of time to enhance the clips. Let me disable it. So if I just talk about this audio, okay, and then I go here and then I select this one and I click on enhance speech. So what it does, it will little bit improve the audio quality. If I play the audio now.
So Servam AI is making the headlines, but what is really Servam AI? Is it in competition with OpenAI?
A little bit better. It's not the best one. Especially if your audio is very bad. For example, in my case, this audio which I'm working on, this timeline, is recorded from my laptop. So it's really bad. My mic was not working. So what I did, and you can also do the same thing. You can download this software Descript. If you don't know what Descript is, a free software. They have paid version, but you can just download the free software Descript, and it makes things very simple. Okay, so from here, what I will do, I will select this file and then click on open. And then click on get started. Then you will see it say is a free plan. I cannot upload more than 1 GB file. So what I can do instead, I will go back to Premiere Pro. And then from here, for example, this is my file. I'll just export this file as a low quality file. For example, let's say 480p SD. So you can see now it becomes 554 MB and I export this. Now, because the size is decreased, don't worry about it because we just need the clean audio. We don't need the video, everything from Descript. We just need audio. So once you export this, you will have other file which I have already exported. So I'll continue from there. So now on the right side, click on AI tools, and from here you have this option Studio Sound. Click on Studio Sound, and then from here you can choose how much intensity you want. You cannot see any video here because my clip was really big, so I just exported the audio and I am trying to clean my audio. So if I play this now, it is completed. The Studio Sound, it might take some time. And now if I play this audio,
normal everyday audience. Okay, now let's do the practical. Let me show you the capabilities.
You can see this is very clean audio, and I was really surprised with the quality. And guys, trust me, I don't know how much you can see on computer, how much you can listen properly, the difference between the audio qualities, but this was really game changing. I was like one point that I have to record the video again, but no, Descript really saved me there and everything was totally free. To download Descript, I'll add a link in description. You can download Descript for free. Let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if this video helped you out.